Best budget mirrorless cameras. Are you looking for the best budget mirrorless cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best budget mirrorless cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Canon EOS R50 is an entry-level mirrorless camera aimed at beginners, vloggers, and content creators who want to step up from smartphones or compact cameras to a more versatile interchangeable lens system. Here's a detailed review of its key features and performance. Design and build ***. Compact and lightweight, weighing only around 375 g, with battery and memory card, the R50 is one of the lightest cameras in Canon's EOS R lineup, making it highly portable for travel, vlogging, and street photography. It's small enough to be carried around all day without fatigue. Simple, intuitive layout, the R50 has a straightforward, beginner-friendly design with fewer physical controls, helping users who are transitioning from smartphones. The control dials and buttons are easy to use, though more advanced users might miss having dedicated dials for quick manual adjustments. Build quality. Despite its entry-level position, the R50 feels well built, with a solid plastic body. However, it does lack weather sealing, so it's not ideal for use in harsh environmental conditions. Sensor and image quality ***. 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor. The R50 uses a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is larger than most sensors found in smartphones or compact cameras. This allows for better detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The image quality is excellent for an entry-level camera, offering sharpness and accurate colors right out of the box. Digic-X processor. The Digic-X processor ensures fast image processing, better noise handling, and improved autofocus performance. This processor is also found in Canon's higher-end models, which means the R50 benefits from the same level of performance. Autofocus ***. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2. The R50 boasts Canon's highly regarded dual-pixel autofocus system, which covers nearly 100% of the frame. It delivers fast and accurate autofocus performance in both stills and video, making it great for action shots, portraiture, and everyday shooting. Subject detection and tracking. The R50 features advanced subject recognition for humans, animals, and vehicles, ensuring that faces, eyes, and other key elements remain in sharp focus, even when moving. Video capabilities ***. 4K video at 30 frames per second, oversampled. The R50 can record 4K video with no crop, using 6K oversampling for sharper, more detailed footage. This makes it ideal for vloggers and content creators who want higher quality video than what smartphones typically offer. Full HD at 120 fps. For slow motion enthusiasts, the camera supports full HD recording at 120 frames per second, though this feature doesn't include autofocus. It's a nice touch for getting creative shots but limited by the lack of AF and slow motion mode. Vlog-friendly features. The R50's compact size, fully articulating touchscreen, and reliable autofocus make it a solid choice for vlogging. Its face and eye tracking is excellent for keeping subjects in focus, and the screen's ability to flip out and rotate 180 degrees is a plus for self-recording. Performance and features ***. Continuous shooting. The camera supports up to 12 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 15 frames per second in RAW burst mode, which is impressive for an entry-level model. This makes it quite capable of capturing fast action, although it's not as fast as higher-end models in terms of buffer depth. Electronic Viewfinder (EVF). The 2.36 million OLED EVF provides a clear and sharp view for composing shots, though it's not as high resolution as those found on more expensive models. It's adequate for most users but could feel a little small for those used to larger viewfinders. Touchscreen LCD. The 3-inch, 1.04 million fully articulating touchscreen is responsive and bright enough for outdoor use. Its flexibility is great for shooting at odd angles or for selfie-style vlogging. Connectivity. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The R50 comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for easy image transfer and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. It's convenient for quickly sharing images on social media or controlling the camera from your smartphone. Battery life ***. LPE17 battery. The R50 offers a battery life of around 370 shots per charge, which is decent but not exceptional. If you're planning to shoot video or capture lots of images during the day, having a spare battery is recommended. Lenses and compatibility ***. RF mount. The R50 uses Canon's RF mount, which offers a wide variety of lenses ranging from affordable options to professional-grade glass. However, RF lenses tend to be more expensive than older EF lenses. Users can adapt EF and EFS lenses with an optional adapter, giving access to a broader range of lenses at various price points. Limitations ***. No in-body image stabilization (IBIS). Unlike some of its competitors, the R50 lacks IBIS, which means you'll rely on lens stabilization or use a gimbal for smoother handheld video. Limited customization. Advanced photographers may find the camera's limited customization options restrictive. There are fewer buttons and dials compared to higher-end models, so manual adjustments may require more time. Plastic build. While the R50 is lightweight, the plastic build might not feel as durable as more premium cameras, and its lack of weather sealing limits its use in tough environments. Who is it for? ***. Beginners. The R50 is perfect for beginners looking to explore photography and videography without feeling overwhelmed by complex settings. The guided UI and simplified control layout are very beginner-friendly. Vloggers and content creators. With its compact size, excellent 4K video quality, and flip-out touchscreen, the R50 is ideal for vloggers or social media content creators who need a portable yet capable camera. Travel photographers. Its lightweight build and strong autofocus system make it a great travel companion for capturing high-quality images and video on the go. Conclusion ***. The Canon EOS R50 is a fantastic entry-level mirrorless camera, especially for beginners and content creators. It combines excellent image quality, 4K video capabilities, and advanced autofocus in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. While it lacks features like in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and weather sealing, its price point and feature set make it a strong contender for those looking to upgrade from a smartphone or basic camera. Its strengths in subject tracking, intuitive controls, and compact design make it a great option for vloggers and everyday photographers. However, more advanced users might find the lack of physical controls and customization options limiting. Overall, the Canon EOS R50 is a great entry point into the EOS R system and will serve beginners and content creators well. Number 2. The Olympus EM10 MKV is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed for enthusiasts and beginners looking for a capable, portable camera that delivers high image quality. Here's a detailed review of its key features. Design and build ***. Compact and lightweight, weighing around 383 g, the EM10 MKV is extremely portable, making it great for travel and everyday photography. Retro aesthetic. The camera has a vintage-inspired design, typical of Olympus OMD cameras, with metal accents that give it a premium look and feel. Improved grip. Compared to its predecessor, it has a slightly improved hand grip for better ergonomics, making it more comfortable to hold, even during long shooting sessions. Sensor and image quality ***. 20.3 MP micro Four Thirds sensor. The Mark IV features a 20.3 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, which delivers excellent image quality for its class. While it doesn't offer the same low-light performance as larger APS-C or full-frame sensors, it holds up well for most shooting scenarios. In-body 5-axis image stabilization (IBIS). The camera's IBIS system compensates for up to 4.5 stops of camera shake, which is useful for handheld photography and shooting in low light. This is a big advantage when using slower shutter speeds or shooting without a tripod. Autofocus ***. 121-point contrast detect AF system. The autofocus system is quick and accurate for most general use, though it may struggle in low light or with fast-moving subjects compared to cameras with more advanced phase detection autofocus systems. Face and eye detection. Olympus has improved its face and eye detection, making it easier to capture sharp portraits. It works well in most cases, though it may not be as fast as more advanced systems from competitors like Sony or Canon. Performance and features ***. Continuous shooting. The camera offers 8.7 frames per second in continuous shooting, which is respectable for capturing action and fast-paced scenes. While it's not the fastest in its class, it's more than adequate for most situations. 4K video recording. The Mark IV records 4K video at 30 frames per second, with decent quality for casual videographers. The 5-axis stabilization helps smooth out handheld video footage, though serious videographers might miss features like a microphone input. Battery life. The camera's battery life is rated at approximately 360 shots per charge, which is good but could be improved, especially if you plan to use it for video recording. LCD screen and EVF***. Tilting touchscreen. The 3-inch 1.04 million tilting touchscreen is useful for shooting from various angles and is particularly handy for vlogging or selfies. The screen can flip 180 degrees downward, making it suitable for self-portraits. Electronic viewfinder (EVF). The 2.36 million EVF is sharp and responsive, providing a good preview of your shots in different lighting conditions. It's not the largest or highest resolution EVF on the market, but it's adequate for a camera in this price range. Connectivity ***. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The camera offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing and transferring of images to a smartphone via the Olympus EM10 Share app. The app also allows for remote control of the camera, which is handy for group shots or time-lapse photography. Limitations ***. No weather sealing. Unlike higher-end models in Olympus lineup, the EM10 Mark IV lacks weather sealing, so it's not ideal for shooting in harsh conditions like rain or snow. No mic input. This is a limitation for vloggers or those wanting to record high-quality audio, as you'll need an external recorder for better sound. Contrast detect AF only. While the autofocus is good for general use, the reliance on contrast detection rather than phase detection means it's not as fast or accurate in challenging conditions, especially for tracking fast-moving subjects. Who is it for? ***. Beginners and enthusiasts. The Olympus EM10 Mark IV is ideal for those stepping up from a smartphone or compact camera. It offers a good balance of features for still photography and casual video, all wrapped in a portable and stylish package. Travel photographers. Its lightweight design, built-in stabilization, and compact size make it an excellent choice for travel and everyday use. Vloggers. The flip-down screen and 4K video make it appealing to vloggers, though the lack of a microphone input may be a drawback. Conclusion ***. The Olympus EM10 Mark IV is a solid entry-level mirrorless camera with great image quality, excellent in-body stabilization, and a sleek, compact design. It's not the most feature-packed or fastest camera in its class, but it excels in portability and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and casual photographers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, travel-friendly camera with good all-around performance, the EM10 Mark IV is definitely worth considering.